Street Tavern. One of the unique things, if you look down underneath the bar, there is a urinal.
Member-supported radio from the University of Pennsylvania. The University of Pennsylvania's Master of Liberal Arts.
Old school. Women weren't allowed to come in here. This place was built in 1907. Been through, I think, 3 or 4 owners. So we're going to check out a Jersey Johnnie roast beef, which is a split sandwich. So we don't discriminate. We're going to go plain, and we're going to go with some extra sharp cheddar. Let's check this roast beef sandwich out.
Excited for your review. Check it out.
All right, the sandwich has arrived. Now this is a Jersey Johnnie. It's half cheese, extra sharp, don't forget, and plain al dente roast beef, just to get that beef taste. So let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm having a perfect pint with John, the bartender, in the oldest bar in Philadelphia. And John happens to be a 50-year employee. And he's a classy, old-school bartender. Jokes are rolling along.
Hey, guess what? Come May, they're getting married. When are you getting married? June 22nd. Oh, June! Yeah. Anybody else getting married? Where's I get divorced?
Oh, okay.
Anybody pregnant?
The meatloaf has arrived. Let's see.
All
21st birthday, first beer. First one? Really?